I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you the integrations that we have available for Worckie. So I'm inside of my Worckie dashboard. I'm going to go to the left-hand side and I'm going to click Integrations. And here we have the ability to integrate with Trello and import data from our Trello board to create a new project. So to do that, I'm just going to click on Trello, and it tells me that I can export the Trello board to a JSON file format and then attach it in the field below. So all I do inside of Trello is actually export the Trello board, and then I can upload it into Worckie. So I'm inside of one of my Trello boards, and we're going to go ahead and export this as a JSON file. To do that, I need to go into my settings. So inside of Trello, I'm going to go to the top right-hand side to the little triple dots, and that's where the main menu is. And on the main menu, I'm going to click More. And then from here, I'm going to go to Print and Export. And then I'm going to choose Export as JSON. So when I click that, it comes up with a crazy file. If I right-click and choose Save As, that's going to allow me to save this file on my computer as a JSON file. That's the default. So I'm going to send it to my download area so I can find it easily, and then I'm going to click Save. So now I've saved the file. Now I can upload it into Worckie. I'm back in Worckie in my integration area, and I need to upload my JSON file. So I'm going to click Choose File, and there's my Trello file right there. So I'm going to click on that and then click Open, and then click Next. So I have to choose the initial member that is assigned to this project. So I'm just going to click on here and make sure that the person that I want to be part of the project is chosen. And once I choose the member, now I'm going to go to Next. So it's going to create a project name for me, a project description for me. I need to choose what department it's going to go into. And then I also need to choose a project deadline. And then the next step is to import. It's given me a successful notification that we've imported it. So now we can go into the projects area and take a look at what it imported. So I'm going to go to projects, and here you can see the project was created by the Trello board import. And I'm going to check the Kanban area. And inside the Kanban area, it actually imported all of my status columns, and it imported all of my tasks. So everything that was on that Trello board has now been imported into Worckie, and I can now start working with it inside of Worckie. So that's how you import a Trello board into a project inside of Worckie.